Ultherapy is a really exciting and innovative new technology that uses the power of ultrasound, focuses it past the skin onto the layer that we normally use in facelift to really effectively perform a nice lift and toning of the face. And it's one of the only technologies in existence right now that is able to lift that layer. And by lifting that layer, you get a really nice natural skin lift and toning effect. As far as downtime is concerned, it's one of the biggest advantages of this procedure. Not only do you get an effective lift, but you virtually have no downtime. Other than that first evening, that first day, with a little bit of swelling, maybe minimal bruising, the next day you're ready to go. Many of my patients are actually able to go back to work later that afternoon. In terms of how quickly you see the results and the improvement, it's absolutely amazing. Where we do a halftime show, so to speak, where we do half the face and we sit the patient up with a handheld mirror and they can see the dramatic improvement just instantly. The results continue to improve over the following 6 months. The pricing has a lot to do with the region of the face you're treating. Frequently, as in most places in the country, it's broken down in thirds: the lower face, the mid face, and the upper face, which includes the forehead and eyes. And each segment, it ranges different parts of the country, anywhere between $1,000 to $1,500, and we're $1,200 per segment. But we have a combined pricing when people have more than one area or they're doing the entire face. When they're doing the entire face, we cut the price down to $2,750 from $3,600, which would be the different segments altogether. Many of our patients who are in their upper 30s, low to mid 40s, are certainly not ready emotionally or even physically for a dramatic procedure, but they do notice some sagging, some hollowness, beginning to see some shifting in their face. And at that point, I would encourage them to come in and see us, talk about the options available. Our consultations are always complimentary. They are educational, as is our website. Our purpose is to give you as much information so that you can be proactive in your choices for rejuvenation and not wait until you need a much more dramatic and more invasive treatment, or lose those options that are available to you at this stage, where you can really take advantage of buying time for yourself as technology continues to improve by leaps and bounds every few years, to a point where in a few years there may not be really a significant need for invasive modalities, as we've developed a really effective non-invasive technology.